Panginoong Diyos ay sumasayo. Bukod kang pinagpala sa babaeng lahat, pinagpala naman ng iyong anak na si Jesus. Iwalhati sa Ama, sa Anak at Diyos Espiritu Santo. Pangalan ng Ama, ng Anak at Espiritu Santo. So, for our attendance, Romeo Minisoga, back person, present. Elmer Isaleta, regular member. Carmen E. Rojas, regular member.
Present.
Joel Turalba, regular member. Donna Jean T. Lacson, additional member. So, 5 out of 7, so we have a quorum. So, our other attendance, Rochelle Villamor, our procurement engineer.
Present po.
Felmor Soyat, back secretariat member.
Present po.
So, proceed. Our agenda is contract data, B, requirements for bidding documents, C, bid form, technical and financial proposals, D, criteria for eligibility screening, preliminary examination of bids, evaluation of bids and post-qualification, E, and other matters. Contract data. Contract ID number 24GFC006. Contract name, purchase of hot asphalt. Specs ay 60/70. Primary and secondary national road. Implementing office, DPWH CNDO. Funding source is Act 2024-02-010-323. 20,000. One 0007000. First quarter. Approved budget for the contract 2,997,225 pesos only. Contract duration 30 calendar days. Scope of works for use in repair, rehabilitation of primary and secondary national roads. Schedule of key procurement activity. Issuance or downloading of bidding documents. Time, February 27, 2024 to March 19, 2024. Place, hard copies of back secretariat of DPWH Camarines Norte DO, Diet Camarines Norte. Downloading from DPWH website www.dpwh.gov.ph or PhilJIP's website www.philjips.gov.ph. Ribbon conference today 8:30 a.m. on March 5, 2024. Place, Conference Hall, DPWH CDO, Diet Camarines Norte. Receipt of bids, opening of bids, or a preliminary evaluation of bids. Time, scheduled on March 19, 2024 until 10 a.m. Place, Conference Hall, DPWH CDO, Diet Camarines Norte. Manual submission, one original and one copy for each technical proposal and financial proposal must be submitted. Electronic submissions, e-file of the technical proposal and financial proposal. However, bidders should only select one mode of submission, either manual or electronic. Prospective bidders may obtain further information from Department of Public Works and Highways, Camarines Norte District Engineering Office, and inspect the bidding documents at the address given below during Mondays to Fridays, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. A complete set of bidding documents may be acquired by interested bidders on February 27, 2024 from the given address and websites below. The procuring entity shall allow the bidder to present its proof of payment for the fees and person by facsimile or through electronic means. B. Requirements for bidding documents. Instruction to bidders, general condition of contract, special condition of contract, bid deficit, specification, bid of quantities, bid forms, checklist for technical proposal, and checklist for financial proposals. Download at www.dpwh.gov.ph www.phillips.gov.ph. No, new format per DMC 85 Series 2020. C. Criteria for eligibility screening. A. Specification. Hot asphalt, including pipe, 60/70. Penetration, 60/70. Plus point, degree Celsius, 232 minute. Ductility, 100 minute. Solubility, 99 minute. Loss and heating percent, 0.80 maximum. Specific gravity, 1.001 to 1.06. Height, 92 plus or minus 2 cm. Diameter, 50 plus or minus 2 cm. Net filling capacity, 180 plus or minus 5 kg. Gross weight, 190 plus or minus 5 cm. And drum, 200 kg. C. Criteria for eligibility screening. A contractor must meet the following major requirements. A. Per GPB Resolution number 15-2021, prospective bidders are required to upload and maintain current the following eligibility documents in the pages. A. Registration, certification of SIC DTI registration. B. Mayor's or business permit or its equivalent documents. C. Tax clearance. D. Pickup license and registration for infrastructure projects. And E. Audited financial statements. Any expired documents among the aforementioned eligibility documents shall render the PNDEF's Platinum Registration Certificate as automatically suspended, and its validity shall resume only once the said expired document is already updated with the PNDEFs. For recently expired mayor's permit, the recently expired mayor's permit together with official receipt as proof that the prospective bidder has applied for renewal with the period prescribed by the LGU shall be accepted by the PNDEFs for the purpose of completing the PNDEF certificate of platinum registration and membership. B. The prospective bidder audited financial statement showing, among others, the prospective bidder's total and current assets and liabilities, stamp received by the BIR for its duly accredited and authorized institution for the preceding calendar year, which should not be earlier than 2 years from the date of bid submission. D. Bid evaluation. The financial component of the bids of each past bidder shall be evaluated using a non-discretionary criteria, including arithmetical correction for computational errors, and thus determine the correct calculated bid prices. The BAC shall automatically disqualify any total calculated bid price which exceed the ABC. The following factors are to be considered in the evaluation of the bid prices. Completeness, no price and required item non-responsive, indicating a zero or a dash free to the government. All prices are deemed to include taxes. Bids not addressing or providing all of the required items in the bidding documents, including where applicable BOQ, shall be considered non-responsive. Bid price in figures versus word prevail. Total price per item versus unit price per item, unit price prevails. Total price versus actual sum of the component items, actual sum prevails. Unit cost and detailed estimate versus unit cost and BOQ prevails. All bid amount above EBC will be disqualified. A. Post-qualification is pursuant to Section 34.1 and 34.3 of Revised IIR of Republic Act 9184. 34.1. The lowest calculated bid or highest rated bid shall undergo cost qualification in order to determine whether the bidder concerned complies with and is responsive to all the requirements and conditions as specified in the bidding documents. 34.3. Verification, validation, and ascertainment of a statement made and documents submitted shall consider but shall be limited to the following criteria. Legal requirements need licenses, certificates, permits, agreement, and inclusion in any blacklist. Next, technical requirements. Next, verification and or inspection and testing of the goods, product, after sales, and or maintenance capabilities and application cases, as well as checking the following. Delay in the partial delivery of goods amounting to 10% of the contract price in its ongoing government and private contracts. Next, if any of these contracts shows the bidder's failure to deliver or perform any or all of the goods or services in the period specified in the contract or within any extension thereof granted by the procuring entity pursuant to a request made by the supplier prior to the delay, and such failure amounts to at least 10% of the contract price, or unsatisfactory performance of the supplier obligation as per contract terms and conditions at the time of inspection. If the BAC verifies any of these deficiencies to be due to the bidder's fault or negligence, the BAC shall disqualify the bidder from the award for the procurement of goods. Financial requirements: to verify, validate, and ascertain the bid price proposal of the bidder, and whenever applicable, the required committed line of credit and the amount specified and over the period stipulated in the bidding documents, or the bidder's NHCC to ensure that the bidder can sustain the operating cash flow of the transaction. Contract award. The contract shall be awarded to the bidder whose bid has been determined to be the lowest calculated and responsive bid, or LCRB, as a result of the detailed evaluation and post-qualification conducted. Next, contract award should be made within the bid validity period. Next, subcontracting is not allowed. Common reason for rejection of bids ineligibility and post disqualification of bidders. Failure to submit the original copy of the surety bond certified by the Insurance Commission indicating the name of the project, the procuring entity, and name of contractor. Next, shorter bid validity and bid security period. Next, failure to indicate the validity of bid in the bid form. Next, late submission of bid. So, any question or clarification for this project ID 23 GMC 006? So, any announcement? Ma'am Rochelle? So, sa
March 12 yata opening.
March 12 yata ang opening. So, for this, our private conference is adjourned. Thank you very much.
Ano oras meeting natin, sir?